Hi, this is Patricia Rojas, and this is my presentation of a learning platform created to be used in a cell phone, in a tablet, and in a desktop. So here's the cell phone view. If you are new, you can just fill up the data and create your account. It will immediately show the course, the instructors, and calendar. So let's see if this student wants to open up a lesson and try it out. Wait a minute. There. Okay, let's suppose he wants to upload an assignment. It would immediately show. After sending, it will say you have it will show a message. So let's go back to the classes are interactive. Let's suppose a parent wants to talk to an instructor, because students usually don't, so they can try and send a message directly to the instructor they're looking for. This is basically an easy view for a student, and they can also look up for the grades and how did they get the average grade. They also have a to-do list. So this is the cell phone view for a student. So this is the tablet view. Let's say you have already created your new user. You log in user, your ID, since many parents have many children these days, so they can use their ID that's unique for each student. And you can log in immediately. It will show the word of the week. And since here is a high school, you can choose after you can choose even arts, technology, or something like that. So first thing, contact your instructor. I know nobody does this as a student, but it's useful for father and teacher interview and things like that. Great. Let's see. These are the grades. So you can see it's the same as in the cell phone view. You can easily navigate, browse, and everything. Here it expands, so you can have more space to actually do something. It has its own inbox that students can recognize in group projects or talking with the instructor. Something I added to these was like adding a special button for reinforcement classes. So this is connected with the teacher's reinforcement classes. Okay? And this is a teacher's view. So they log in. Let's say the geography teacher. He needs to prepare these courses because teachers indeed study. They have seminars and things like that. So when they make reinforcement classrooms. It's like when students can't complete the study material by themselves, and they ask for more supervised class with a teacher. So as not many students will want that, the teacher can take like 8th grade students all by this reinforcement class. He opens the class and they take the class, just the students who wants or need them. Okay, let's see. Let's suppose he entered the courses to update, since he's not doing the assignment himself. So he prepares beforehand, and he can allow students to write, to help students to put information inside the files and everything. Okay, with the grading it took a little more time. Okay, grading. Let's suppose this same teacher has many other courses, but they have inside the courses different classrooms, because it's a high school. So he have to select the student, see if the information was received by each class. All the lessons will be registered, and he can update the grade for the students. The schedule, you could see just the schedule form, or if you want to go to a full planner, you can change in here, and in the next week it will be shown like this. So you create this view with a full planner, and you go back to the full view. This is what you need to remember this week. And also the teacher is connected to the inbox created only to receive the students' information or parents' information. Okay, so this is my project, and thank you for watching.